Fireflies versus Read.AI, which is better for you? Welcome to our comparison of Fireflies and Read.AI, two leading AI-powered tools designed to make your meetings more productive. Links to both products can be found in the description below. In this video, we'll break down the features, intended users, and key differences to help you decide which tool is the best fit for your needs. Fireflies.ai is an AI meeting assistant that automatically records, transcribes, and summarizes your meetings. It integrates with popular platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams, making it easy to capture conversations across different environments. Fireflies is perfect for teams and individuals who want to focus on the conversation rather than note-taking. It offers advanced search capabilities, allowing you to quickly find specific parts of your meetings, and you can share the transcripts or key highlights with your team seamlessly. Additionally, Firefly's integrations with numerous third-party apps like Slack, Asana, and Salesforce, enabling smooth workflows across your tech stack. On the other hand, Read.AI is a comprehensive analytics tool designed to provide deep insights into your meetings. While it also records and transcribes meetings, its standout feature is its ability to analyze participant engagement, sentiment, and speaking time. This makes it an excellent choice for managers and team leaders who need to monitor team dynamics and improve meeting effectiveness. Read.AI's engagement scores and sentiment analysis can help you identify if your meetings are running efficiently or if adjustments are needed. It's a data-driven solution that goes beyond basic transcription, offering a more in-depth look at how your meetings are conducted. So, which one should you choose? If your primary need is to capture and share accurate meeting notes effortlessly, Fireflies is the go-to option. Its extensive integrations and user-friendly interface make it a robust tool for streamlining communication and collaboration across your team. However, if you're looking for more than just a transcription service and want to optimize your meetings with actionable insights, Read.AI is the better choice. Its analytics capabilities can help you refine your meetings, making them more engaging and productive over time. In summary, Fireflies excels in simplifying the note-taking process and enhancing productivity through seamless integrations, while Read.AI shines in offering advanced analytics to help you fine-tune your meetings. The best choice ultimately depends on whether you need straightforward transcription or deeper insights into your meeting dynamics. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the links in the description to explore these tools further.